Self-trust is built through kept promises. Every time you break a promise to yourself, you weaken your own confidence. And if this keeps happening, your brain starts believing something dangerous, that your own word doesn't matter. This isn't about perfection, it's about rebuilding self-trust. Confidence doesn't come from hype, it doesn't come from motivation, it doesn't come from watching inspiring videos or reading powerful quotes. Real confidence comes from something much simpler: self-trust. And self-trust is built through a very specific pattern. You say something, then you follow through. That's it. But many people slowly break that pattern without realizing it. You tell yourself, I'm going to wake up earlier, I'm going to start working out, I'm going to focus on this goal. But when the moment comes, something changes. You delay, you renegotiate. You tell yourself it's not a big deal. The problem isn't that you broke the promise. It's that your brain remembers every time you did. Your brain is always watching your behavior. When you repeatedly break promises to yourself, your brain learns something: your commitments are optional. And when your commitments become optional, discipline collapses. You stop believing your own decisions. You say you'll start something tomorrow, but a part of you doesn't believe it anymore. That's the quiet damage of broken self-promises. Not failure, loss of self-trust. And when self-trust weakens, confidence disappears, because confidence isn't noise. Confidence is proof. Proof that when you say something, you mean it. The solution isn't making bigger promises, it's making smaller ones and keeping them. If you promise to work out every day and fail, self-trust shrinks. But if you promise to work out 3 times a week and follow through, self-trust grows. Consistency builds credibility with yourself. Ask yourself honestly, what promise to myself have I been breaking repeatedly, and what small commitment could I start honoring today? Every kept promise strengthens identity. Every broken promise weakens it. Self-trust is built through kept promises. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.